Investing can be like venturing into a vast and mysterious universe, with countless celestial bodies vying for your attention. Among these stars, two prominent contenders have stood the test of time: bonds and stocks. Imagine them as celestial twins, each with its own gravitational pull, influencing the trajectory of your investment journey. As we embark on this educational odyssey, let's explore the major shifts in the financial world, offer actionable advice, and witness the captivating interplay between these two giants. The changing face of investing. The financial world is a constantly evolving cosmos, shaped by global events, technological revolutions, and the ebb and flow of economies. In recent years, we've witnessed remarkable shifts, from the emergence of artificial intelligence-driven trading algorithms to the rise of sustainable and socially responsible investing. As we embrace the future, let's remember that knowledge is our guiding star, illuminating the path to financial success. Pros of bonds. Like a sturdy lighthouse standing tall amidst turbulent waves, bonds offer stability and security in uncertain times. These debt instruments represent loans made to governments or corporations, and in return, they provide regular interest payments, like a gentle stream of income flowing into your portfolio. For risk-averse investors, bonds are a trusted companion, acting as a shield against the storms of stock market volatility. Imagine yourself on a serene cruise with bonds as the calm waters, ensuring your financial ship remains steady and balanced. Cons of bonds. While bonds can provide tranquility, they are not without their challenges. In a world where interest rates flirt with historical lows, the yields on bonds may not keep pace with inflation, causing a gradual erosion of purchasing power. Moreover, the value of bonds can fluctuate inversely with interest rates, leading to potential capital losses if you need to sell before maturity. It's like having a beautiful kite, but being unable to enjoy the soaring winds due to an unforeseen storm. Profits from bonds. Now let's talk about the pleasant breeze of profits that bonds can bring. The regular interest payments, also known as coupon payments, offer a consistent income stream, which can be especially attractive for retirees seeking financial peace of mind. Bonds come in various flavors, from government bonds, where the risk of default is relatively low, to corporate bonds, which may offer higher yields but carry a slightly higher risk. Actionable advice. Bonds are a fundamental building block in any diversified investment portfolio. Consider their unique benefits and allocate a portion of your portfolio to bonds, particularly when you seek stability and predictable income. Pros of stocks. Stocks, the shining supernovas of the investment universe. These ownership stakes in companies have the potential to ignite explosive growth in your portfolio. Historically, stocks have outperformed other asset classes in the long run, which is why many investors are drawn to their captivating allure. If you're looking for a catalyst to supercharge your wealth, stocks are the engines of opportunity. Think of stocks as the adventurous rocket ship of your financial journey, propelling you to new heights of prosperity. Cons of stocks. However, as we venture deeper into the cosmos of stocks, we must acknowledge the gravitational pull of risk. The stock market is a tempestuous sea of emotions, with prices swaying based on investor sentiment, economic indicators, and company performance. During market downturns, the value of stocks can plummet, testing your nerves and resolve. In this metaphor, stocks are the thrilling cosmic rollercoaster ride, offering breathtaking views but demanding nerves of steel. Profits from stocks. Now let's explore the celestial rewards of stocks, capital appreciation, and the potential for incredible wealth creation. Successful investors have achieved astronomical returns by holding on to high-performing stocks for the long haul, harnessing the power of compounding. Moreover, stocks are highly liquid, allowing you to buy and sell with relative ease, providing flexibility in navigating the financial galaxy. Actionable advice. While stocks offer unparalleled growth potential, they also come with higher risks. To embark on this cosmic journey, assess your risk tolerance, conduct thorough research, and diversify your stock holdings across different industries and regions. The orbit of modern investing. As we gaze upon the ever-shifting financial constellation, we must acknowledge the recent shifts in the investment world. The emergence of robo-advisors, which utilize AI and machine learning to manage portfolios, has democratized investing, making it accessible to a broader audience. Additionally, the focus on sustainable investing has sparked a revolution, with investors aligning their values with their financial goals. Think of these advancements as the celestial alignment of technology and ethics, guiding investors toward a brighter future. Navigating the bonds versus stocks dilemma. The decision to invest in bonds or stocks is akin to plotting a course through the vastness of space. Aspiring astronauts, investors, must assess their destination, financial goals, the spaceship's capacity, risk tolerance, and the propulsion system, investment strategy they'll employ. A well-thought-out asset allocation is the trajectory that will guide you to your desired financial destination. To illustrate, consider yourself a skilled astronaut charting your course, making calculated decisions, and embracing the uncertainties of the financial universe. Balancing act, the solar system of your portfolio. Much like our solar system with its diverse array of planets and moons, your investment portfolio requires balance and diversity. A mix of bonds and stocks, along with other asset classes like real estate and commodities, can create a harmonious orbit, minimizing risk while seeking growth opportunities. Just as a well-balanced solar system maintains celestial stability, a diversified portfolio can weather financial storms. As we conclude our cosmic journey through the world of investing, we must remember that bonds and stocks are not opposing forces, but complementary elements in the stellar dance of your portfolio. Embrace the changes in the financial universe, arm yourself with knowledge, and let your financial goals be your guiding stars. So, aspiring astronauts, go forth and explore the endless possibilities of the financial cosmos. May your investments soar like shooting stars, lighting up the sky of your financial future. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through the realm of bonds versus stocks. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more stellar insights and celestial financial guidance. Until next time, happy investing.